Master the magic of politeness. I'd appreciate it if you could. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another episode of our intermediate grammar series. Today we're going to focus on an essential phrase that can help you sound more polite and more natural in English. I'd appreciate it if you could. This phrase is used for making indirect requests, which are a bit softer and more formal than direct ones. They're perfect for professional situations or when you want to show respect to someone. Let's delve in. So, what does "I'd appreciate it if you could" mean? This phrase is a polite way of asking someone to do something for you. When you say, "I'd appreciate it if you could," you are not only asking for a favor but also expressing that you would be grateful if the person could help. Here's an example. "I'd appreciate it if you could send me the report by Friday." In this sentence, the speaker is requesting the other person to send a report by Friday and also implying that they would be grateful for their help. Now, let's see how we can use this phrase. To use, "I'd appreciate it if you could," follow the phrase with the action you want the other person to take. It's important to note that after this phrase we use the verb in its base form. Here are some examples. 1. I'd appreciate it if you could close the door. 2. I'd appreciate it if you could arrange a meeting with the team. 3. I'd appreciate it if you could help me with this task. You see, it's quite straightforward. Remember, the verb following this phrase is always in its base form, which means no, ing, or past tense form is used. When someone uses the phrase, "I'd appreciate it if you could," with you, how should you respond? A simple, "Sure, of course," or "I'd be happy to," is usually sufficient. Here are some examples. 1. I'd appreciate it if you could close the door. Sure, I'll do it right now. 2. I'd appreciate it if you could arrange a meeting with the team. Of course, I'll arrange it. 3. I'd appreciate it if you could help me with this task. I'd be happy to help. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrase, "I'd appreciate it if you could." Remember, this is a wonderful tool to add to your English repertoire, helping you sound polite and respectful in your interactions. Don't hesitate to use it in your daily conversations, whether it's in your personal or professional life. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video. Happy learning!